Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. It's Kaylan Alex. If you're new here, welcome. Go ahead and subscribe. And if you're returning, thank you so much for tuning in. So as you can tell by the title, this video is going to be a very exciting and special one. It is an item that I have had on my wish list, that I have talked about a few times wanting, and I'm so excited that I was able to get it. Y'all know the only flowers I like are the Chanel Camellias, child. Anything else you could keep. I'm gonna go ahead and share with you guys the video of the unboxing of the item right now. So as you can tell, we got a bag. Now I put it back in the box because, you know, that's how I like to store my stuff. And so I'm just gonna go ahead and check it out again. Of course, I love when my associates leave all of my items like in the original package that they got it in. But anyway, this is the bag. I am super excited. I'm hoping that my lights are picking up the beauty and the color of the bag. A few details about this bag. This is a one of one, as with most of the ones, if not all of the ones that are in this like tone, they are hand painted. So no two bags are gonna look alike, and no two bags are gonna have the same type of color and design because they are hand painted. How cool is that? So of course, when I heard that, that's really what was sold, because we love a one of one, a special moment, something that's just for me. You know what I mean? We love a moment like that. So this was that. In fact, the bag, the other one, the store had two, this one and another one. The other one was more of a green tone versus this one has more of, you see more of the blues and the purples in it. I'll try to insert a clip of that particular one so you can like see the difference. I did opt for this one because I wanted to see more of the other colors versus just the green. I'm so in love. I even love how in different areas the color is different. So like I said, this one has a little bit more detailing than the one in the store that was just green. I loved it. You guys also saw me look at this bag when I was in the mall a few weeks ago. I think the vlog went up last week, but I actually had tried on the pink and purple kind of version of this bag. That bag was a little bit more pink. That store didn't have this one and vice versa. So when I saw this one, I was like, that's it. That's the one I want. So this is the mini rectangle with a top handle. It has a shoulder strap. It can be worn crossbody. Again, it's really going to depend on how you like to wear or how long you prefer your bags to be crossbody. But for the most part, this can fit most people crossbody wise. Of course, I'm most excited about this top handle. I don't know. It's just something about a top handle that just makes me super excited and makes a bag even more special to me. Like I was even considering this mini bag with a top handle. I don't know. I just love top handle bags. It makes it more versatile in my opinion. Now with this particular bag, the straps are not removable. I'm told that one of the possibilities of the straps not being removable is because people were losing them. Apparently you girls are losing the straps to your bags. I don't know how that's possible because I keep all of my accessories with each bag, but apparently that was a thing. So most of the bags that they're making now, straps are not detachable. Of course there are some, like my Coco handle straps are detachable, but This one, and I know a few of the other more recent ones, are not. It does fit quite a bit. It is basically the mini rectangle. It just has a top handle. I will say though that the mini rectangle, the OG, is not as, there's a slight size difference when you're wearing it. With the two, this one to me seems a little bit bigger in what it can hold in the inside. It does have a pocket and a zipper pocket here, but obviously this is really just meant for cards or like some cash or something. But it does have a little space and it can hold quite a bit. It's the bag with the microchip. You guys know that they don't come with authenticity cards anymore. The bags are microchipped, so that's where we get this little detailing from here. And of course, the rule of 1 bag a month is 100% true when it comes to Chanel. Not that we doubted it or anything. I know in my mind, I thought it was just for the classic flaps, but no, it's period. You can only get 1 bag a month or one of each category a month. My associate was adamant about letting me know that, remember, is this really what you want this month? Like, is this really the bag? Because you can't purchase another one until next month, which I'm okay with that because at this point in my life, I'm not buying multiples in a month. It's time from the boutique, so I'm okay with that for right now. But I'm super excited and happy about this purchase. I just feel like it fits so well into my collection and in my wardrobe. You guys know I wanted a color bag. The next Chanel that I said that I was going to get had to be a color because I am moving. I want to venture out into uncharted territories when it comes to my wardrobe, and I needed more color. I needed more excitement. I feel like I have the basics, and now I'm ready to get some of the basics with a twist, and this is kind of like one of those items for me. I love that the gold tones on the bag also is like a muted color, so it's not really a bright and shiny gold. It's more of an aged gold kind of look. I just think it looks well with the bag. It complements the bag better than say a high shine gold or even the flash gold. I love the way this gold looks. I was actually looking for this bag in the pink, that soft pink and soft like baby blue color. Of course that's long gone, and it's even like reselling for a crazy amount of money, and that was another reason why I was like, I'm gonna wait and see what the boutiques have, because this was one of those items that I refused to purchase on the resale market because of the markup. And there's certain brands and certain items that I just feel like I would rather wait to purchase from the boutique rather than buying it resale, because the resale market has really ruined the game for a lot of us. I'm not even gonna lie, you guys know how I feel about pre-loved and shopping pre-loved, but sometimes it's just a bit ridiculous. So I was not getting this bag resale. Hermes is another bag that Kelly and Birkin for me that I would not opt to purchase on the resale market first because of the markup. And I'm just like, I can't, like, let us enjoy the items without having to like sell our souls or feel like we have to sell our souls to get it. So I was very excited to see this bag in the store and that they had two. I would suggest if you're interested in it, going into a boutique or different boutiques, because there are two here. One of them had it, the other one didn't, and the one that the other one had, the other one did. So it's like flip-flop, and they only had like one or two, but I was able to get it. So I always say, if it's something that you want, check the boutiques first, because that's going to be your better bet when it comes to getting items like these that I would consider like unicorn items, or items that are very special to the brand and the brand's heritage, versus going resale with it. We'll chat about that in a later video, but for here we're just discussing her. And yeah, I'm very excited about this. I have not worn it, especially because I wanted to show you guys first before officially pulling it out to wear, because y'all know I like to wear my stuff as soon as I get it. Like, I've been waiting for it, so when I get it, I want to wear it. But I have not. So now that you guys have like officially seen her and been introduced to her, I can start wearing it. That's gonna be it for this video, guys. I just wanted to share with you the little purchase that I made that I'm super excited about. I'm excited about adding this particular bag in more colors. and fun tones as this one. So that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, drop a nice comment down below, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you get a notification when I post again, and I will see you in the next video.